Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels and confessions and deep secrets. Kana karibu kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungo karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmere Zimbabwe, tavigirai ya buritwa na President Emerson Mnangagwa ababuda wastora iwo wachiti. As a lawyer and a constitutionalist, is going to step down and retire after apedza his second and final term in 2028. Mnangagwa wakabuda kuchora nyaya iyi during a speech yavaipa ku ZANU-PF Youth Conference at the party's headquarters mu capital city Harare. Makabuda kuchora iwo vachiti, besides being a soldier, I'm a trained lawyer, I'm a constitutionalist. I want our party, our leadership and people to be constitutionalist. We must abide by the provisions of our constitution. Kana nguwa yekuti uyende yakwana enda. Zozabuda zitaura na President Emerson Mnangagwa wa Zimbabwe. Sinazoti munoona sei nyaya iyi zinopera mushe ma analyst abuda achitaura iye achiti President Emerson Mnangagwa ndari vasakamba to pressure muri Zimbabwe. You engage indicator that he was pointing for a third term. A political analyst, Euda Mabunu, Babuda Stora Yavachiti, Mnangagwa is not to be trusted. Since maybe he was pushing for my youths, could push the agenda, could Bagari, but more office, Kusika, 2030, Zimbabwe. And there are Mnangagwa, funny history, could indicate a left, but what right. So, my sentiments, Mnangagwa should be taken with a pinch of salt. Mabuno kabla conclude that story vachiti kana Mnangagwa very serious. Maybe vasakamba to a pressure for Zimbabwe singazigodi isuruzgana nziruba kupi tingazodmiona sei nyaya iyi tauti mungonzwa Mnangagwa vachitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi mwamadzira mukufunga mu comment section.
Besides being a soldier, I'm a trained lawyer. I'm a constitutionalist. I want our party, our leadership, our people to be constitutionalists. We must abide by the provisions of our constitution to the letter. Kana nguwa yekuti uinde inda inoinda. Atichengetedzei gwara romusangano.
Kufunga mangozvinzwira mega muri Zimbabwe zvataurwa na President Emerson Mnangagwa vachitaura ivo vachiti kana nguva yamunhu yakwana yekuti aende ngaaende. Zvirova izvo kuti ivo saying kuti kana second term yavo yapera is going to retire. The Newsbox yabuda zvakare ichitaura iyo ichiti this statement by President should not be taken seriously. Vachitaura yachiti #out of political doublespeak. Zimbabwe President Emerson Mnangagwa continues to suggest that he will abide by the country's constitution's second term limit and retire in 2028 when his current tenure expires, claiming to be a constitutionalist. But behind all this political bluster and doublespeak, it is the reality that his party is campaigning frantically with his direction and encouragement behind the scenes for him to stay until 2030. Tisingazivi kuti mumeona sei nyaya itudziwo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section kuti Mnangagwa vachaonekwa vachiretire kana kuti. Tara what true kuita, there are structures in ZANU-PF vari kupusha for the 2030 idi anenge achipo campaign asi vachiwenga vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti no to factionalism. Zvanzi ZANU-PF haisiye mazita chinzi they should respect bato reZANU-PF. Chinzi munhu anouya achienda asi ZANU-PF hapana kwainoenda muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yabuda mushure mekunge pane ma-endorsements ari kuitwa nema-party structures eZANU-PF ari kutaura ivo achiti they want President Emerson Mnangagwa kuti vatonge beyond 2030. Zvakonzeresa Tonakonda Mafunga, this message was directed to whoever had glorify Mnangagwa as the president kusvika 2030 muZimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. There is an audio yatiraungoti munzwe vachiwenga vachitaura pamusoro penyaya iyi. Muhamadza zvamuri kufunga comment section.
There is no room for factionalism at any level in the party. A party that cannot be undermined by being defined in the confines of individuals. I repeat, no factionalism in the party. We are one, and we shall remain one. Hapana kuti uyu ndinobuda uyu handimudi. Tiriteseka. Our loyalty is not to individuals, but to the big agenda which is larger than us, that of the party and the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme. It is the party, it is the people of Zimbabwe that are supreme, not Ini Sachuenga. I will come and go.
Ndofunga mangunzira mega muZimbabwe zvataurwa navachiwenga. Newsworks yabudisa nyaya iyi. Vachaura vachiti Chiwenga challenges Mnangagwa openly, and in the clearest ominous sign yet that he is fed up with President Emerson Mnangagwa escalating ED 2030 campaign and now ready to stand up to him to fight back. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says ZANU-PF should not be driven into self-serving personality cults, personal power pursuits, and factionalism by anyone. In his own words, Chiwenga, who has steadfastly refused to chant the ED 2030 slogan, laid down the gauntlet to confront Mnangagwa openly, saying there is no room for factionalism at any level in the party. A party cannot be undermined by being defined in the confines of individuals. I repeat, no factionalism in the party. We are one and shall remain one. Hapana kuti uyu ndinomuda uyu andimude. Tiriteseka. Our loyalty is not to individuals but to the bigger agenda which is larger than us, that of the party and the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme. It is the people of Zimbabwe who are supreme, not Inisa Chiwenga. I will come and go. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are locked in a deadly war attrition over ZANU-PF's unresolved leadership and succession issues, now intensifying as the president battles to extend his rule beyond his constitutional term limit in 2028 to 2030. This has further divided the party and set Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, key allies, in November 2017 military coup, which ousted the late President Robert Mugabe after 37 years in power amid implosive political and socio-economic instability on collision course. Nozvabuditswa neNewsworks reZimbabwe. Tisingaziva kunana sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzeiwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi comment section kuti zvakamira sei. What is happening in ZANU-PF? Mune mafactions here kana kuti